Alright. Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the happiness of mathematics, and today we will be learning about algebra. Algebra, I'll just write it up here for you. Algebra is a division of math in which we use letters to represent numbers which we call variables. Variables are when there's a number in a place but we don't know what it is yet. We can later substitute numbers in, we can later solve if there's a specific number that's supposed to be there, but for now, it's an unknown number. And we say that because sometimes it's an unknown number. For example, if I have a graphic, a linear equation that I want to graph, we have y equals 2x plus 5. This is an equation where y and x will both change a lot, but they have a set relationship to each other, so I can create a line which basically maps out every possible option for x and y. We plug in 1 for x, and then we find out what y will be. If I plug in 1, I have 2 times 1 is 2 plus 5. So if I have x is 1, y is 7. 2 plus 5 would be 7. And then I will plug in 0, and I say x is 0. So 0 plus 5, y would be 5. Our coordinate pair would be 0, 5. X is 0, y is 5. Other times, you might find a single variable, in which case you have 5 plus x is equal to 10. Now this is an equation that's set up we are supposed to solve for x. Here, our variables don't have any one answer, they have many infinite answers. But this one has one possible answer. And so these are ways that we use variable. In this case, x is equal to 5. I'll just show you a quick proof of why, how we do this one. We say 5 plus this number is equal to 10. So we use a principle of math that I can subtract something from the left side of an equation bar if I also subtract it from the right side. So if I subtract 5 from this side, subtract 5 from this side, because I'm doing it to both sides, it is entirely legal to do this. We have not broken any of the laws of math because this side will still be equal to this side. If they started out being equal to each other, then to subtract 5 from both sides, you are still equal to each other. So if we do 5 minus 5, these will cancel out, which will be 0, so we're left with just x on our left side. And then if we do 10 minus 5, we're left with 5. That's just a quick sample of how we use variables and an example of what algebra is. Thank you, everybody, and this is the test.